Good day to everyone. Welcome back to my channel Matheniks and more. Today I'm going to discuss problems involving exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon. These problems may involve problems in sides, angles, and other parts of convex polygon. But before I proceed, if you think it will help to your problems in doing your modules in mathematics, please do subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell for the incoming videos. Now, let us go to our main topic, convex polygon. Convex polygon is a simple polygon in which no line segment between 2 points on the boundary ever goes outside the polygon. It means there is no reflex angle in this convex polygon. What is reflex angle? Reflex angle is an angle more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Therefore, convex polygon is a polygon wherein all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. Let us look this pentagon. Do you think it is convex polygon or it is other than that? Well, it is a convex polygon because all angles, if you will notice, are all less than 180 degrees. What about this? Is it convex polygon? No, it is concave polygon. And why? Because one angle is more than 180 degrees, or one angle is a reflex angle. What about this? Is it convex or concave? This is also a concave polygon because one angle is a reflex angle or more than 180 degrees. What about this one? Well, if you will notice, all interior angles are less than 180 degrees, therefore it is convex in a polygon. Next is, what about this one? Well, it is very obvious that it is not convex polygon because four angles are reflex angles or more than 180 degrees. Look at this angle. They are all more than 180 degrees. What about this? How do you call this? Is it convex, concave, or what? Well, since this is combination of two polygons, we call it complex polygon. And that are the different kinds of polygon, either convex, concave, or complex polygon. Let's concentrate on convex polygon. Convex polygon has sum of measures of interior angles is S is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by quantity n minus 2, wherein S is the sum of interior angles and n is number of sides. Next characteristics is measure of each interior angles is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2 divided by n. Since the total is 180 degrees multiplied by the number of sides minus 2, then if you divided it by the number of sides again, the result will be the measure of each interior angle. Next is measure of each exterior angles. Exterior angles are the angles formed if you will extend one side of a polygon and that extended side, if you will measure it against the other side, it is called exterior angle, and it is equal to 360 degrees divided by number of sides. Let us discuss the first example. What is the measure of each exterior and interior angle of a regular decagon? In this problem, decagon, how many sides is decagon? Well, decagon, as what we have discussed in my previous videos, decagon is a polygon wherein the number of sides is equal to 10. And therefore, since decagon is a regular polygon, we have 10 sides, 10 angles, and 10 vertices. Now, if we are going to solve worded problems like this, as what I have discussed in my previous videos, the first thing to do is take all the given data. And the given data here, it is a regular decagon, and n is equal to 10. And then we will take what is the required. We will analyze the problem, what is required in the problem. So in this case, the required is size of interior angle. Now, in our solution, if you can draw a figure, it is much better. But there are some problems that you don't need to draw the figure. So in this case, exterior angle, as what we have discussed, exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. And number of sides is equal to 10. Substitute this into the equation. It is equal to 360 degrees divided by 10, or simply equal to 36 degrees. Now, since we have now the exterior angle, and we are required to solve for the size of interior angle, next solution that we need to do is find the interior angle. And interior angle is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by the quantity n minus 2 divided by n, or simply equal to 180 degrees multiplied by 10 minus 2 divided by 10, or simply equal to 144 degrees. There is also properties of a polygon that measure of interior angle plus measure of exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. In this case, the exterior angle is equal to 36 degrees and the interior angle is equal to 144 degrees. If we add them up, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, our answer is correct. Number 2 problem. An interior angle of a regular polygon measures 60 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? So in this problem, we have a regular polygon and the interior angle measures 60 degrees. And we are required to find how many sides does the polygon have. Okay, let's take the given data. Each interior angle is equal to 60 degrees. Required is number of sides and is equal to question mark. Now, in our solution, letter A, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. And exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus interior angle. We just subtract in the measure of interior angle both sides of equation and we cancel measure of interior angle from the left side. The remaining terms in our equation is measure of exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus measure of interior angle. Substitute the values of interior angle, which is 60 degrees. Our exterior angle is 120 degrees. Now, the next solution is solving for number of sides, and according to our principle, measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by n, or the number of sides. Multiply both sides of equation by n. We have 120 degrees multiplied by n is equal to 360 degrees because in right hand side of equation we multiplied by n and divided by n, it is cancelled out, and the value of our interior angle is equal to 100. The value of exterior angle is, as what we have solved, is equal to 120 degrees multiplied by n is equal to 360 degrees. We divide both sides of equation by 120 degrees. What we can get now is n is equal to 360 degrees divided by 120 degrees. And n is simply equal to 3. Therefore, our polygon is a triangle because it has 3 sides. Problem number 3. Calculate the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon. Now, in this problem, our polygon is a hexagon. Hexagon, it has 6 sides, 6 vertices, and 6 angles. As what we are doing in our problem, we are always taking the given. Regular hexagon, number of sides is equal to 6, and required is sum of interior angles, or S is equal to question mark. Now, for our solution, letter A, S is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by quantity n minus 2. And Substitute n as equal to 6 equal to 180 degrees multiplied by quantity 6 minus 2, and simply it is equal to 720 degrees. And this is the required in the problem. Let us go to problem number 4. The measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 135 degrees. Find the number of sides in the polygon. Well, now in this problem, the measure of interior angle is given as equal to 135 degrees. And we are required to find the number of sides of this polygon. Again, take the given data. Measure of interior angle is equal to 135 degrees. Required is number of sides, n is equal to question mark. And for our solution, measure of interior angle plus measure of exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute our value of measure of interior angle and subtract both sides of equation by measure of interior angle. What we have now is measure of exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus measure of interior angles. And the value for measure of exterior angles is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, or it is simply equal to 45 degrees. Next is we will solve the number of sides of this polygon. And to do that, we will use our formula as measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by number of sides. And the measure of exterior angle as what we have solved is equal to 45. We will multiply both sides of equation by n, and in the right hand side of equation, n is cancelled. Therefore, we have this 45 degrees multiplied by n is equal to 360 degrees. 45 degrees is our measure of exterior angle, and we multiplied by n, it is equal to 360 degrees, and we will divide the both sides of equations by n or by 45. Now our n is equal to 360 degrees divided by 45, or simply equal to 8. And therefore, our polygon is octagon because it has 8 sides. Now let us go to problem number 5. Problem number 5. Find the measure of each interior angles of a regular polygon that has 15 sides. So, in this problem, we are required to find the interior angles of a regular polygon which has 15 sides. And to solve this problem, we take again the given as number of sides is equal to 15, and the required is measure of each interior angle, or measure MLI, that is the symbol for measurement of interior angle. It is question mark. For our solution, we need to find the measure of each interior angle. And our formula for this, measure of interior angle is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by quantity n minus 2 divided by number of sides n. Substitute the values of n as 15 it is simply 180 degrees multiplied by 15 minus 2 divided by 15, and simply it is equal to 156 degrees. Now let us go to problem number 6. A pentagon has sides 16 cm, 18 cm, and 20 cm. If the other two sides are congruent and the perimeter of the pentagon is 98 cm, what are the measures of the other two sides? Now, in this problem, our polygon is not a regular pentagon because they have different length of sides. It is 16 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and the two other sides are congruent or they are equal. And the total of the perimeter is equal to 98 centimeter. And we are required to measure the other two sides of this polygon. So given number of sides n is equal to 5. Yes, we know that pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. And required is measure of the other two sides. A is equal to question mark. In this problem, we need to draw a figure so that we can visualize what is the meaning of this problem. So let's say we have this side 16 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and the two sides as letter A because they are congruent, and if they are congruent, they are equal. And the perimeter is equal to 98 centimeter. Therefore, to solve the other two sides, we just add the all sides and equate into the given perimeter as 98 centimeter. So, perimeter is equal to A plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. 98, which is our perimeter, is equal to 2A plus 16 plus 18 plus 20, or 2A is plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 is simply equal to 98. We just rearrange the equation so that the unknown term will be in the left-hand side of the equation. Now, in this situation, we just subtract both sides of equation by 16, 18, and 20, or simply 98 minus 16 minus 18 minus 2a is equal to 2a. Simplifying further, 2a is equal to 44, and divide both sides of equation by 2. We have now a is equal to 22 centimeter. So this is our final answer, where a is equal to 22 centimeter. Now we have problem number 7. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A is equal to x plus 30 degrees, measure of angle B is equal to 3x minus 15, and measure of angle C is equal to x plus 20 degrees. Find the measures of all angles. Now in this problem, it is a triangle, but all sides or all angles are not equal. So this is not a isosceles triangle, or this is not a regular polygon, but the angles are not equals. So let us take the given angle A is equal to x plus 30 degrees, angle V is equal to 3x minus 15 degrees, and angle C is equal to x plus 20 degrees. And the required is measures of all angles, or simply the measure of angle A, angle B, and angle C. In short, we need first to compute for the value of x so that we can compute the value of angle A, angle B, and angle C, because x is our variables in all angles. So for our solution, we need to draw a figure, angle A, angle B, and angle C, or angle A is equal to x plus 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 3x minus 15, and angle C is equal to x plus 20 degrees, and angle A, as what I've said, is equal to x plus 30 degrees. Now, in our solution, we just add the three angles and equate it into 0, or equate it into 180 degrees, because in a triangle, the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 30 degrees plus 3x minus 15 plus x plus 20 is equal to 120 degrees. Simplifying the equation, we have 5x plus 35 is equal to 180 degrees. Subtract both sides of equation by 35 degrees. We have 5x is equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees. And divide both sides of equation by 5. 5x is equal to 145, and x is equal to 29 degrees. Now, we solve the value of x, so the next is we will solve individually the measure of each. Now, let us go to solving the triangle, the angle A, angle B, and angle C. And angle A is equal to x plus 30 degrees, wherein x is equal to 29. Substitute the value of x. It is simply equal to 29 plus 30 degrees equal to 59 degrees. And angle B is equal to 3x minus 15, and it is equal to 3 multiplied by 29 degrees minus 15, or simply equal to 72. And the last, angle C, is equal to x plus 20 degrees, and x is equal to 29 degrees plus 20, it is simply 49 degrees. Now that we have now the values of each angle, this is now our final answer for this problem. Now, problem number 8. The measure of one interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degrees, more than twice the measure of an exterior angle at the same vertex. How many sides does this polygon have? So in this problem, we have a regular polygon, and the measurement of one interior angle is 60 degrees, more than twice the measurement of an exterior angle. And we are required to solve how many sides does this polygon have. So therefore, as we are always doing in solving problems, we are taking all the given. Exterior angle, let exterior angle is equal to x, and interior angle is 60 degrees, more than twice the measure of an exterior angle. So therefore, it is 2 multiplied by x plus 60. And the required is number of sides, n is equal to question mark. Now, let us go to the solution. All interior angles of a regular polygon are congruent, or simply they are all equal. And letter B, all exterior angles of a regular polygon are also congruent. Therefore, we will solve the value of measure of angle, exterior angle plus measure of interior angle as equal to 180 degrees. And substitute the values of measure of exterior angle and measure of interior angle. We have this x plus 2x plus 60 as equal to 180 degrees. And simplifying the equation, we have 3x is equal to 180 degrees minus 60. What we did in this procedure is we simplify the equation and we subtract both sides of the equation by 60. The 60 from the left-hand side of the equation was cancelled, and we have now minus 60 on the right-hand side of equation. Simplifying further, we have x is equal to 120 degrees divided by 3, and simply the measurement of exterior angle is 40 degrees. And the measurement of interior angle is equal to 2x plus 60 equal to 2 multiplied by 40 degrees plus 60, or simply equal to 140 degrees. Now, if you will notice, angle, exterior angle plus interior angle, which is 40 and 140 degrees respectively, if we add them up, it is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now, let us go to problem number 9. The measures of the exterior angles of a pentagon are x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Now, in this problem, we are required to find the measurement of each exterior angle, giving the value as x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x respectively. So therefore, what we need to do first is to compute for the value of x. So given exterior angle is equal to x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. Required exterior angle is unknown because it is equal to the variable x. And for the solution, sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So we will just add all the exterior angles of this pentagon and equate to 360 degrees. We can solve now the value of x. X plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 360 degrees. Simplifying, 15x is equal to 360 degrees, and 15x divided by 15 is equal to 360 divided by 15. We just divide both sides of the equation. X is equal to 360 divided by 15, or simply equal to 24 degrees. Now, we have now the value of the one angle, which is equal to x, and it is 24 degrees. Let us solve the other angle. Exterior angle is equal to x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. And exterior angle number 1 is equal to x is equal to 24 degrees. Exterior angle number 2 is equal to 2x equal to 2 multiplied by 24, or simply equal to 48 degrees. Exterior angle number 3 is equal to 3x, or simply equal to 3 multiplied by 24, or 72 degrees. Exterior angle number 4 is equal to 4x, or simply 4 multiplied by 24 equal to 96. And the last exterior angle number 5 is equal to 5x equal to 5 multiplied by 24, or simply equal to 120 degrees. And this is our answer in this problem. Now let us go to the problem number 10. Three angles of a hexagon are 80 degrees, 180 degrees, and 120 degrees. Find the other three angles if they are in the ratio 2, 4, 6. So in this problem, it is a hexagon, but it is not a regular hexagon because all sides are not equal. The three sides are given as 80 degrees, 180 degrees, and 120 degrees, and the other three has a ratio of 2:4:6, and we are required to find the three interior angles. For our solution, the S, or sum of all interior angles, is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by the quantity n minus 2. And since this is hexagon, our n is equal to 6, and substitute the value of n as 6, it is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by 4 minus 2, or simply S is equal to 720 degrees. Now, we will subtract the three given interior angles. So, angle of I3 is equal to 720 degrees minus 80 minus 100 minus 120 degrees, and this is equal to 420 degrees. This 420 degrees is the total of the three interior angles, and we will solve it individually. So we have now ratio as 2:6, so 2x plus 4x plus 6x is equal to 420 degrees. We put x so that we can solve the value of x, and then we will just multiply it by the ratio. We will get the three values of the remaining three angles. And simplifying it, 12x is equal to 420 degrees, and x, or 12x divided by 12, is equal to 420 degrees divided by 12, or simply x is equal to 35 degrees. So 2x, or measure of interior angle 4, is equal to 2x, or equal to 2 multiplied by 35 degrees, and simply 70 degrees. The measure of interior angle number 5 is equal to 4x, equal to 4 multiplied by 35, and it is equal to 140 degrees. And the measurement of interior angle number 6, it is equal to 6x, or simply 6 multiplied by 35, and equal to 210 degrees. And this is now our final answer. So, for the ending of our video, I will give you the Bible verse from James 1, verse 5. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. Thank you. And If you think this video is a very important in doing your modules in mathematics, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much and bye-bye.